In this video, I want to show you how you can manage your junk email in Microsoft Outlook. So of course these days we get tons and tons of emails, and you want to be able to mark some as junk, which will go into your spam folder automatically, and these kind of things. So you can see I'm in Outlook now, and I'm going to go to my email app over here within Outlook, and I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this email, all right? And I'm going to go ahead and right click on it. And then over here, you have the word junk. So you can block the sender. So that means their email will automatically go into your junk folder. You can say never block the sender, which means it'll always go into your inbox directly. You can say never block the sender's domain, the whole domain there, or never block this group or mailing list. So you go to any email and you right click on it and you pick in the word junk there. So that's the first thing that you can do. By the way, your junk folder is going to be over here on the left. So you might want to look in there to see if there's anything in your junk folder. So you right click on any email and you get the word junk there, and you have some options there. Notice down here it says junk mail options. Let me show you another way to get to your junk mail options here. It's actually moved over the years. So now I'm going to pick on the home menu for the email app, and I'm going to come over here to the right, and I'll pick in the three dots, and then you see the word junk there, and then the same kind of choices. So that's another way to get into there, right? Let's take a look at the junk email options. So then you can decide what's going to be automatically filtered into the junk email. So you can say no automatic filtering, low filtering. It says move the most obvious junk email to the junk email folder. High says most junk email is caught, but some regular email may be caught as well. And then safe lists. So you have some good choices here. In this case, you have your safe senders. These are people that you said you didn't want to block. And your safe recipients are the people who you can send to. And then you have your blocked senders and the international listings there. So a couple things you can do. You can right click on an individual email and pick in the word junk there. And then you're managing that individual email or that domain. Here you can get to the junk email options. Or if you're on the home menu of the mail app, you come over here and you pick in the three dots, and then there you see your junk. And you have the same kind of options there. And then the junk email folder can be found over here. So those are ways to manage your junk email within Microsoft Outlook.